Hey guys, and welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take another look into the charts. And the S&P 500, we're on the 1 hour chart, keeps chatting up. Nasdaq top 100 looking extremely good over here. Even gold is not looking that bad over here. But the Dixie, it is looking kind of bad right now. You could see a possibility of a double bottom. However, ES1 don't care. New highs. And like we talked about it, like we talk about every day, this remains the target, this trend line over there. Bitcoin, looking at Bitcoin, higher lows all the way, higher lows, higher lows. And we keep going for that 62K. And believe me guys, once we break this, we will go immediately within a few hours to 65. Every smart short has their stop over here. They will cover their ass. So the thing is, like we need some liquidity to the upside. For now, there are still a lot of longs, and we need less longs, and we need shorts over here to push us over that edge. We need people buying that stuff on Coinbase. On Bitfinex without leverage. That is what we need. That is basically where we're at. This trend line, you could even, if you wanted to, pull it like to the, to this one. It adds up quite nicely. Let's check it on the 4 hours. Does it match up a little bit? Yeah, it makes some sense over here. It always changes a little bit, if you change the time frames. But this is the trend line we're looking at. Always, by the way, if you're charting, make sure you are on logarithmic. Right now it's just grinding higher and higher, and we're making higher lows. And it's a matter of time before we break 62K for me. Also doing the thing, breaking all-time highs as well. Ethereum, it seems like it's kind of waiting on Bitcoin right now to do something, and the other alts are chatting up. BNB did a really big shakeout today. I talked about yesterday, target was $600. Well, we broke it, and after that a big shakeout came. And it's looking still good. It's still looking good over here. Going parabolic, accelerating to the upside. Targets, I don't know. I don't have a clue at this moment. I would not touch it myself. LTC, I'm kind of disappointed by LTC lately. I wanted it to run a lot faster. Higher time frames, yeah, it is looking good. They're making higher highs, and the goal remains $400. But I think there are better opportunities right now than Litecoin. Litecoin is looking good, is doing good. Monero, like we talked about yesterday, target 370, could be front ran a little bit right now. They touched 350. Well, it's an important number, just a round number. So might come back for a retest over here at $300 and then go for its move to I would say 375. XRP going sideways, and this is a trend line I'm spotting. But maybe are they making something like this? Whichever way it breaks, that's the direction I would trade it towards. I would not enter a position right now in XRP. It's under 5 minutes, so that's a very low time frame. But yeah, I kind of expect continuation. But you want a good entry, and either you buy a break of this upper trend line over here, or you short one over here. Also, if Bitcoin breaks the 62K, I'm not sure I like altcoins. Solana. Yesterday I made a video while it did this retest over here. They did manage to go up higher and make that higher high, but I still do not like it that much. The fundamentals of Sol, however, from what I hear and people with knowledge about it, say it is really the future and it's really good stuff. And those are smart people. So we can also look at it like this: higher low, if they remain this one. And if you want to be bullish, just put your stop over here. That's at $25. And I mean, long opportunities, are over there, above $30. I mean, I do not like personally, from a technical analysis perspective, I do not like a trend line break like that. Dogecoin, really impressed, like I believe Elon Musk is not even tweeting about it. And right now, I think they're doing a bullish retest on these levels over here, I would say, and making on a lower time frame a little bit of a bull flag over here, stamping support before going to the all-time high. I believe this is the all-time high. But the really big opportunity for now, I would say, is by far Sushi. They broke this amazing trend line over here. And a trend line break like this is a big buy. I will buy it myself as well, as soon as I am done with this video. I mean, this high is what I want to crack. And after that, it's go time for Sushi. And the easily all-time high, easily. I do not know a lot about the fundamentals of Sushi. I am more like technical analysis and liquidity. I do not look that much at liquidity with altcoins, mostly with Bitcoin. I'm trading mostly Bitcoin. But I mean, this is looking good. If you want to add a stop, put it over here at $13. Right now, the next to break is 16.5. And that is about it. Fundings, they are a little bit high, but considering how high we are in price-wise, it is not that bad. Predicted fundings are lower than the current ones, so that is good. That is exactly what we want. And we can see it over here, If funding is low, it's usually a buy opportunity over here. This bottom over here. Like bottoms over here as well. This area, funding's very low, even negative over here as well. And right now we're high again. Every time we touched 62k or above 60k, funding's got really high over here as well, over here, and then we have a shakeout, and then fundings really are gone again. You buy the dip, and then we go up again, and then everybody starts falling again. So that's really something to keep in mind. But eventually, if it keeps going like this, making all those higher lows, we will eventually break it. Maybe some more shakeouts needed, where they shake out all the over-leveraged longs. And that is about it for today. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. I always like to interact with you guys. Make sure to subscribe and put the notification bell on. See you guys again tomorrow.